Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Starting your first garden can feel overwhelming. Now it doesn't have to be. With a few clever gardening hacks, you can grow healthy plants, save money, and also enjoy the process without stress. Let's dive into the best tips and tricks for beginner gardeners. Now, first up, did you know that you can use kitchen scraps to create nutrient-rich compost for your plants? Eggshells, banana peels, and coffee grounds are amazing for boosting soil health. Just toss them into a compost bin or directly into the soil around your plants for a natural fertilizer. Now, composting not only reduces waste, but also gives your plants the nutrients they crave. Now, do you want to start seeds, but you do not want to spend a lot of money on trays? Use eggshell cartons. Fill each cup with soil, plant a seed, and water lightly. When the seedlings are ready, you can transplant them directly into your garden. Egg cartons are biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly option for your garden. Here's a hack for monitoring rainfall. Cut the top off of a plastic bottle, invert it, and tape it back on to create a simple rain gauge. Place it in your garden to track how much water your plants are getting. This helps you avoid overwatering or underwatering your plants. Tired of battling weeds? Lay down sheets of newspaper around your plants, then cover them with mulch. Now, the paper blocks sunlight, stopping weeds from sprouting, and it will decompose over time, enriching your soil. This hack saves you time and energy while improving your soil's health. Heading out of town? Use an old water bottle to keep your plants hydrated. Poke small holes in the cap, fill the bottle with water, and bury it upside down near any plants. The water will slowly seep into your soil, keeping your plants happy while you're away. This is a lifesaver for beginner gardeners who might forget to water regularly. Here are some of the easiest vegetables for beginners to grow, along with tips on when to plant them. 1. Radishes. Now, why they're easy? They're fast growing, pest resistant, and can thrive in small spaces. Planting time. Spring, as soon as the soil can be worked, and fall between 4 to 6 weeks before the first frost. Growing tip. Radishes mature in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, so you can plant them multiple times in a season for continuous harvest. Number 2, lettuce. Now, why they're easy to grow? Lettuce grows quickly, tolerates partial shade, and they can be harvested multiple times. Now, planting time. Early spring and late summer to early fall. Growing tip. Sow seeds directly in the garden and harvest outer leaves as needed to keep the plant producing. 3. Spinach. Now, why they're easy? They're hardy and grows well in cool temperatures. Planting time. Now, you want to plant these early spring or fall. It prefers temperatures between 40 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Growing tip. Keep your soil moist for rapid germination and harvest young leaves for the best flavor. 4. Green beans. Why they're easy? They're low maintenance and don't require much space. Planting time. After the last frost in spring, when soil is consistently above 60 degrees. Growing tip. Pole beans grow vertically, saving you space, while bush beans are compact and ideal for small gardens. 5. Zucchini, summer squash. Why they're easy? They're prolific producers that grow quickly in warm weather. Planting time, late spring to early summer after the last frost. Growing tip, give zucchini plenty of space or use a trellis to grow it vertically to save you room. 6. Carrots. Why they're easy? They thrive in loose soil and don't require much maintenance. Planting time, early spring and late summer to early fall. Growing tip, use sandy, well-draining soil and thin seedlings to ensure room for roots to grow. 7. Cucumbers. Why they're easy? They grow rapidly in warm weather and produce abundant yields. Planting time, late spring when soil is warm. Growing tip, train cucumbers to grow on a trellis for easier harvesting and better airflow. 8. Peas. Why they're easy is because they're a cool season crop and they grow quickly. Planting time, early spring and late summer, 60 to 70 days before the first frost. Growing tip, use supports for climbing varieties to maximize yield and save space. 9. Swiss chard. Why they're easy? They're hardy and continues to grow after harvesting. Planting time, early spring or late summer. Growing tip, harvest outer leaves regularly to encourage new growth. By planting these vegetables at the right time, you can ensure a successful and rewarding gardening experience. Even as a beginner, gardening doesn't have to be hard or complicated or expensive. With these simple hacks, you're well on your way to create a thriving garden, inshallah. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments which hack you'll try first. Happy gardening and see you in the next video, inshallah.